If you're studying university, then you need the right device for study at home and on campus, as well as streaming your favourite shows on the weekend. Consider which is best for you. There's laptops, tablets, and two-in-ones. First, laptops. Consider screen size, weight, and battery life. Remember, this is something that you'll be using at home and carrying around campus. If it's been a few years since your last upgrade, you'll be surprised with the latest chip advancements, which offer some impressive speeds. And make sure to protect it with a laptop bag. Look for one which can also carry all of your essentials. Next, tablets. Tablets are built for portability. They're versatile, surprisingly powerful, and when paired with a stylus pen, can take handwritten notes. Plus, if you need, pair your tablet with a keyboard and instantly turn it into a laptop. View videos, diagrams, illustrations and photos. Great for visual learners. And use the rear-facing camera to snap a whiteboard of lecture notes. Finally, two-in-ones. Two-in-ones are the best of both worlds. They have the processing power of a laptop and the convenience of a tablet. When you're finished using it as a laptop, simply fold or completely remove the screen and turn it into a tablet. All your needs are covered. The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.